Google Play PC Genshin Impact 2026. So to play the Genshin Impact on your Google in your PC Google Play Store, first thing you need to do is right-click on the Google apps right here, and then you'll find an option of Google Play. You need to find that. Just scroll down and you'll find the Play option right here. Click on Play, and once you're here, you need to just simply go with search, which will be in the top right, and then search for Genshin Impact. So here you will have the game right here. You need to click on it and then install on Windows or install option right here. And then after clicking, as you can see that you will have an install option, you need to just simply go with install or just simply go with install, which will be in the top right. Or if it's not available, then what you need to do is search for Genshin Impact PC download. And then you'll find right here, you need to click on the first link or the official website link. And then you will find an option of a download, or just simply go with the Epic Games Store. You'll be able to download it from the Epic Games Store. If you have Epic Games, you need to open up your Epic Games and then you'll be able to download from Epic Games and you'll be able to play. Or you can just simply scroll down and here you will have download and play on PC under Google Play. You need to click on it and then you'll be able to install it from here. Or you'll be able to use BlueStacks. If you have a BlueStacks emulator, you'll be able to use BlueStacks, download BlueStacks, and then you'll be able to download from BlueStacks emulator. That's how you can download and play Genshin Impact on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.